To continue the discussion, I am Hania Makaraya Abdulmanan, and I would be discussing about how Vygotsky and Piaget view the cognitive development of a child in terms of social interaction, cultural factors, and language. The first one is the social interaction. Piaget's theory was more individual. His work on Piagetian's tasks focused heavily on how an individual's cognitive development became evident through the individual's own processing of the task. He believed that children are actively constructing their own understanding in the world as they grow. If you have already watched the report of Group 2, they discuss about the stages of the development of a child. Cognitive development of a child. Kung si Piaget ay naniniwala na ang pag-iisip ng bata is nagde-develop with his own self only, then Vygotsky's theory was more on social. Vygotsky gave more weight on the social interactions that contributed to the cognitive development of individuals. For him, the social environment or the community takes on a major role in one's development. Vygotsky emphasized that effective learning happens through participation in social activities, making the social context of learning crucial. Parents, teachers, and other adults in the learner's environment all contribute to the process. For instance, when a kid doesn't know how to speak, his parents would definitely teach him how to speak, right? And then another example is when the child is in the school. He will learn a lot of things from his teachers, and in that way, the teacher will explain, model, assist, give direction, and provide feedback to the learners. Peers, on the other hand, cooperate and collaborate and enrich the learning experiences. Sa madaling salita, ang theory ni Piaget at Vygotsky is magkasalungat. Since kay Piaget is more on individual, for him na yung bata is nag-grow yung pag-iisip niya with his own self only. While kay Vygotsky is more on social, which means kailangan niya yung mga tao, mga adults, mga kaibigan for him to grow as a person, and of course, para ma-achieve niya yung yung matured na pag-iisip. The next one is the cultural factors. According to Piaget, he believed that as the child develops and matures, he goes through universal stages of cognitive development that allows him to move from simple exploration with senses and muscles to complex reasoning. He always believed that in every particular thing na may stages na nagaganap for a child to be matured enough. While Piaget believed in the universal stages, Vygotsky on the other hand believed in the crucial role that culture played on the cognitive development of children. Vygotsky looked into the wide range of experiences that a culture would give to a child. For example, one culture's view about education, how children are trained early in life, all can contribute to the cognitive development of the child. Or kapag yung bata ay mas maagang namulat sa realidad about their culture, then they can develop their cognitive in an early stage of life. The last but not the least is the language. Language opens the door for learners to acquire knowledge that others already have. It serves a social function but also has an important individual function. It helps the learner regulate and reflect on his own thinking. Yun yung kapag they talk to themselves. For instance, a learner will playing and he utter every move he drew, as if he's talking to someone when in fact, he's just talking to himself and reflect on what he is doing. For Vygotsky, this talking to oneself is an indication of the thinking that goes on in the mind of the child. This will eventually lead to private speech. Private speech is a form of self-talk that guides the child's thinking and action. In this private speech, the child is able to talk to themselves and say whatever they want to. We can also relate it into the intrapersonal communication which an individual were talking to themselves. According to Vygotsky, He believed in the essential role of activities in learning. Children learn best through hands-on activities than listening passively. Learning by doing is even made more fruitful when children interact with knowledgeable adults and peers. He believed that talking or doing something with someone will help the child to develop than talking with themselves. He believed that a child can learn easily in interpersonal communication.